Hello and welcome to our next Innovaphone myApps tutorial. In this video, we will be introducing the basic functions and settings of the phone app and the Softphone app. First, please go ahead and open the phone app or the Softphone app in your myApps client. With myApps, the user interfaces of the phone app and the Softphone app are identical. The difference between the two is that the phone app manages a desk phone, while the Softphone app is a fully functional soft phone. The desk phone that we will be using in this video is an IP-222. The Softphone app will turn any device such as a smartphone, laptop, tablet or desktop computer into a telephone. If you click onto the hamburger button at the top right corner, you will get to the settings. Here, you can determine whether the video image shall be transmitted automatically with a call and whether application sharing and video shall always be brought to the front. Shall calls be initiated with the Enter key? You can activate and deactivate call waiting and number suppression. You can determine whether you would like to be transferred automatically to the call waiting once the active call is terminated. An automatic hang-up can be configured to quickly be available again for other calls. You can set up and edit call diversions. Please watch our myApps tutorial number 28 for further details. Join and leave available groups. Watch our myApps tutorial number 31 on our Recordings app to learn how to record calls and how to manage recorded calls. You can select the audio devices that are to be used, the camera, the ring device, the ringtone, and the profile. A stun and turn server test can be performed, and you can also check the installed version of the app. In the search field, you can select a phone number either via the keyboard or via the cursor of your mouse and the virtual numeric keypad. You can also enter a name to look for a contact or a myApps meeting room. Contacts and rooms that match the search entry will then be listed in the tab Search. Further, you can also use the search options on your desk phone. Click onto the handset symbol next to the search field or the respective contact in your favorites list and your call history to initiate a call. If you use the search field to find a contact, you can start the call by clicking onto the phone number listed below the respective contact. Click on the star symbol to add the contact to your favorites. You can also initiate a call by picking up the handset of your desk phone or by pressing the green handset symbol next to the contact information. You can accept incoming calls either by pressing the green handset symbol or by clicking onto the system notification if myApps is not running in the foreground. On your desk phone, you can also accept phone calls with the green handset symbol, or you can simply pick up the handset of your desk phone. The red handset symbol will terminate the current call in the app and with the desk phone. Or simply hang up the handset. Below the search field, you can view your call history with incoming, outbound, and missed calls. By clicking on the contact, details on all calls and call attempts will be listed below the present status and the profile picture of the contact. You can also start a chat with the contact here, send a callback request, load contact information, and you can add the contact to your favorites by clicking onto the star symbol. Your selected favorites will be listed in the tab Favorites next to your call history. The favorites and your call history are also displayed on your desk phone, in sync with the app. Here, you can also send a message or add the contact to your favorites by clicking onto the star symbol. The video transmission will start automatically once a phone call is established. Please note that the person you will be talking to must also support video. You also need to make sure that you have not deactivated the video transmission in your settings. The video image of the person you are speaking to or the shared screen will be displayed in the center of the window or in the full window image. Depending on the size of the window, you will see your own video image either at the bottom left or on the right hand side. When you hover across the window with the cursor of your mouse, all control panels will appear. Use the microphone symbol at the bottom to mute yourself. With the button Media, You can adjust the used devices also during the call. Here, you can also turn on and off your own camera. The button Phone provides additional telephony functions. We will explain these functions in our upcoming tutorials. Use the button View and click on Full Screen to switch to the full screen mode. Click again to end the full screen mode. On the left, next to the full screen button, you can switch between large image and gallery view. If you are in a meeting with several participants, for example, all available video images will be displayed. The one-to-one button will display the selected video image in its original size or in a scale size adjusted to the window. Use the button at the top left with the squares and the arrow to undock the video image from the myApps client. You can then reposition and resize the new window as you please. Simply close the window or press the button to dock the video image back into the myApps client. On the left side, you have access to your contacts and your call history, also during a call. You also have the option to send a temporary chat message to all participants of the current call. This chat history is deleted once the phone call is terminated. On the right side, you can see the number of your current calls in form of a badge count. Here, you can view and manage all inbound calls, calls on hold, and calls waiting. This lets you handle several calls at the same time. You can also start another call, for example, a consultation. If you're dialed into a three-party conference or a virtual myApps meeting, you further have the option to raise your hand. This is a great function to indicate that you would like to speak without having to interrupt anyone. The current speaker is highlighted with a colored frame. If you click on one of the video images, this image will be moved to the front. We will take a look at application sharing and screen sharing, call forwarding and call diversions, three-party conferences, call transfer and toggling in our upcoming tutorials. Many thanks for watching and see you again next time.